Hi learners, welcome to our channel. Today's story is Paul Bunyan in the Forest. Long ago, in the deep green forests of America, there lived a giant man named Paul Bunyan. He was taller than the tallest trees and stronger than 100 men. Paul had a best friend, a giant blue ox named Babe. Wherever Paul went, Babe followed. Together they made the impossible happen. With his enormous axe, Paul chopped trees to make paths and roads. He cleared forests and carved valleys, turning wild lands into places where people could live and play. Even though he worked hard, Paul loved every bit of the forest. One winter, a small village was trapped under a thick blanket of snow. The villagers were scared. They could not leave their homes. But Paul and Babe came to the rescue. Paul dug a huge path through the snow while Babe carried logs and cleared the way. The villagers cheered, "Hooray for Paul Bunyan!" Paul and Babe didn't stop there. They traveled across mountains, rivers, and plains. They created lakes, carved valleys, and helped animals find homes. Everywhere they went, they left a little magic behind. Even today, people tell the story of Paul Bunyan and Babe. He reminds everyone to be strong, kind, and helpful, and that one giant heart can make a giant difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.